Learning to code in 2025 is easier than it's ever been and harder than it's ever been also. So both are true at the same time. Let me explain why. Yes, ChatGPT Claude AI can write code. We already know that. Yes, AI is coming for junior dev jobs. We know that. But here's what nobody tells you. The best developers aren't those who code the fastest. They are those who think the clearest. AI writes code, you write solutions. You debug what AI breaks, you architect what AI can't imagine, and you know why something works, not just how. So this is the boring part most people are not saying online. Companies aren't replacing developers. They are replacing developers who can only copy and paste and not actually know what they are doing. So what is happening is that the bar is getting higher, but so is the pay. The pay is actually getting better. Right now, thousands of people are learning to code. But the thing is that by month 3, most of them will quit. Why? Because they hit their first wall. The tutorials stop working, their code breaks for some reason they don't understand. They spend 4 hours debugging, it feels like they are stupid. But they are not stupid, they just quit before they get good. But the thing is, everyone hits that wall. The difference between developers making over $40,000 remote and those who gave up is that the ones who succeed are the ones who stayed pushing through those hard walls. And one very interesting thing most people are not talking about is that there is actually a shortage in developers. There is a shortage in competent developers. Companies are actually hiring more than ever. But the thing is that a lot of these companies are not looking for junior developers. They are mostly looking for people who already know how to build. They are looking for seniors. And they're actually paying really well for this role. So what I always tell people in 2025 is that 2025 and the years to come will no longer reward people who learn the basics. It will only reward people who go deeper. So even if you've never landed a full-time role before, you still need to be able to go deep enough. You still need to be able to solve several different types of problems, build several different types of applications in order to be qualified for the current job market. So there isn't a shortage in jobs. So before you start applying for jobs and start getting frustrated, you need to actually take your time to learn, build, practice, and solve several different problems. It's actually harder and easier to get into the tech space than it was before. For those who are competent, they get interviews really fast like clockwork. For those who aren't competent, will basically get nothing. So if you want a very clear step-by-step roadmap alongside the resources, the projects, the exercise for you to learn and practice with every single day, then check out theprogrammersuniversity.com and start learning, building, practicing, and solving problems right now. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and see you in the next one.